Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Cakes by Naz channel. Hope you all are well. Today I'm decorating the cupcakes with these edible images. I'm using two different kind of sheets. One is icing sheet and other one is wafer paper. It's called rice paper too. The difference between icing sheet and wafer paper is icing sheets are really easy to stick on the fondant icing toppers and rice paper is a bit tricky to stick. This is icing sheet and look, icing sheets images are more clear and heavier than wafer paper. And this is wafer paper. This is very light. Now I'm going to cut the circles out for my cupcake toppers. The leftover sheets, you can store them up to 4 weeks in the sealed bags. I rolled the icing and now I'm cutting the cupcake toppers out. And now I'm applying the water on the icing to make it sticky so the toppers can stick properly.